In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Credit Karma customer support step by step, whether you need help with a specific issue or just want some guidance. Reaching out to customer support is a dependable way to address your concerns. Let's dive into the process to make it as seamless as possible. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and heading over to the Intuit Credit Karma website. This is the official online space where you'll find all the resources you need, including the Help Center and customer support contacts. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage and its layout. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the web page where you'll find the Help Center. Click on this link. The Help Center is a treasure trove of information offering FAQs, troubleshooting tips, and much more. It's a good starting point if you're trying to solve a common issue on your own. Once you've entered the Help Center, you'll want to look for the search bar. Here you'll type in phrases like customer support or contact us and hit search. This action will pull up a variety of articles and guides that might be helpful. The key here is to find the most direct path to speaking with someone or submitting a request. After your search results appear, scroll down just a little until you spot the Contact Us hyperlink. Clicking this link is crucial. It's your gateway to direct communication with customer support. As you continue, you'll be asked to fill out some necessary details. This process includes choosing a topic from a drop-down menu, selecting what your issue is about, and sharing more specific details of your concern. Be as thorough as possible in this section to ensure you get accurate assistance. With your information filled out, the next step is to click the Continue to Step 2 button. This will guide you to the next page where you'll provide additional details pertinent to your case. Again, accuracy and detail here can make a substantial difference in how quickly and effectively your issue is resolved. Finally, after you've entered all the required information, it's time to click Submit Case. This submission formally puts your request into the customer support system where it'll be reviewed by a team member. Typically, you'll receive a confirmation email acknowledging receipt of your submission along with information on what to expect next. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to contact Credit Karma customer support effectively. Remember, clear communication and detailed information are your allies in this process. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, consider watching more of our easy to follow tutorials. Have a great day.